Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus and this is my friend
Haziq.
We are from RY87, Universiti Malaysia Perlis. Today we will demonstrate about our mini project for subject System Integration Design, that is the prototype of automatic carwash using tier portal that is consists of ladder diagram, HMI, PC-based Scada, and we will simulate the prototype using factory I/O.
Now I will show the HMI display of this project using KTP-700 Basic Panel. This HMI display have three screen layout. There is main screen, alarm screen, and trend screen. In the main screen, we can see that our project will have 6 different stations. The first station is to detect the size of the car. For the counter, count the car based on the size. Second, we apply some water to the car for 10 seconds. Next, we on soapy sprinkler for 50 seconds and then go through to the brush station. After that, we rinse the car for 10 seconds before we dry the car using the blower for 10 seconds. Next, in the alarm screen, we can see the screen display 6 alarm state. The first, the second, and the third alarm issue the warning that is the volume in the tank in low level. Then, the fourth, fifth, and sixth show the error that the volume in the tank in very low condition. Now, we will run the HMI by push the start button. At the first station, we will send the color of car to detect size of the car for 2 seconds. Next, the car will go through the clean water station. It will take 10 seconds to wet the car. After that, the car will go through the soapy station and the soapy pump will turn on for 50 seconds. Then, our car will go through the brush station and will through to rinse station for 10 seconds. And lastly, the car will go through dryer station for 10 seconds.
Okay, now I will show you the program on the factory I/O. As you can see, in the first station, it will detect the color of the item. The color will represent the size of the car. Blue item for small car, green item for big car. Next, in the second station, it will sprinkle water to the car for 10 seconds. Moving through is the soapy station. It will sprinkle soapy water for 15 seconds. After that is the brush station. We using pusher to represent the brusher. In the next station, we will rinse the car using clean water for 10 seconds. On the last station is the blower station. It will turn on for 10 seconds to dry the car. Okay, now when I run the program, there will automatically item on the conveyor. And I push the start button. The water start filling the tank. The maximum value of the water is on the stop sensor. When the water reach the leader sensor, it will start the program. This is the clean water station. It will sprinkle water for 10 seconds. This is the soapy water station. It applies soap to the car for 10 seconds. Next is the brusher station. Then it will stop at a rinse water station. It will rinse the car for 10 seconds. Last but not least, on the blower station, it will turn on for 10 seconds to dry the car. Okay, as you can see, when the water in the tank being used, the water will automatically refill the tank until it reach the top sensor. Same on the second tank. Also on the third tank. Now I will demonstrate to you PC-based Scada. The layout is the same as the layout on KTP-700 Basic that has been shown earlier. The difference is this program run on PC that we using WinCC software. Okay, this is the alarm page. This is the trend page. And this is the home page. And when I push the start button, when I push the start button, the car will appear. It will detect by the color sensor. Somehow it green or blue. Green means big car, blue means small car. Okay, now it will moving on the first station. Apply water station to wet the car for 10 seconds. Next to the soapy pump station, it will pump soap onto the car. Next, it will move to the brush station. Then it will go to the rinse water pump. It will rinse the soap for 10 seconds. And lastly, it will go to the blower station that it will blow to dry the car for 10 seconds. Next, it detect the blue car. Blue car means small car. Okay, now we see the alarm screen. There are no alarm. And then the trend. Okay, we can see the big car have one car and small car have one car. Okay, now there are green car entering the conveyor. The value will increase to 2.
Now I will explain the ladder diagram of our mini project, Carwash prototype. First, we need to latching start the program. Then we need to latching the conveyor. This latching is to delay the car when it sends into second. Then we go through the clean water station. In clean water station, the water sprinkler will on in 10 seconds. Also same with soapy station, but it will run in 15 seconds. Then the car will go through to brush station on the conveyor belt.
Then the rain station also same with the clean water station. It will take 10 seconds of the time. Also same with dryer station, it also take 10 seconds. Then we create the counter to count the type of the car, the two type of the car, the big car and the small car. Then this is the ladder diagram for a clean water tank. And soapy tank and the rinse tank. Then we create the function block for the alarm. For the alarm, we create two network. First for warning alarm. The warning alarm is to create the memory to be easy to declare in alarm tag. This is the warning alarm. Then this is the error alarm.